Rome. There is definitely something enchanting about this place. Take the time to walk through these ancient streets and you'll come across wonder around every corner. This city that has stood the test of time, its sounds, tastes and sights will make your return time after time. I'm in awe at the detail of every building. The designs, the architectural details are amazing. The overwhelming feeling of grandeur at the Vatican. The magnificence of the Pantheon and the majestic vision of the Colosseum. Sit and watch as the sun rises and sets across these ancient cobblestone streets. The colors and the details of the buildings come alive. This ancient city was established in 753 BC, where it stood as the capital of the Roman Empire. It still stands, vibrant, exciting, magnificent. So Rome, we have to leave you for now, but know you've left a very special place in our hearts.